What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to search for highlighted text in Microsoft Word. So as you can see, I have some highlighted text up here and down here, and I want to be able to search for that. Let's say I have a huge study note and I've highlighted a bunch of things. I just want to search for only the highlighted things. The easiest way to do this, make sure you're on the Home tab up here. So not on Insert, make sure you're on Home. Look for the magnifying glass on Find, hit the down arrow, go to Advanced Find. You'll probably see something like this. Click on More and click on Format and then click on Highlight. And hold on, I have some other formatting there. Let me clear that. And then click on Highlight. And now we can do Find Next. You'll see it found the highlighted text up there. And now it found it up there. So that's pretty much it. You can now go to Replace if you want to change the font. Even you can go down here and change like the format of your Replace. Or you can change the text. For example, if I click no formatting on the replace and I want to change this with something like this. All right, we can do replace 1, replace 2. And there's 2 little highlighted tests now. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you find highlighted text in Microsoft Word. The easiest way. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.